Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies better. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Always begin with premium ingredients. Think rich, dark cocoa powder and real, unsalted butter. Gently melting your butter and chocolate together creates a luxurious, smooth base, which is crucial for that deep chocolate flavor. Also, make sure all your ingredients, especially eggs, are at room temperature. This helps them emulsify properly, leading to a more uniform and delightful batter. Now, let's talk about boosting that incredible chocolate flavor. A secret weapon is a small pinch, about 1/2 teaspoon, of espresso powder or strong brewed coffee. It won't make your brownies taste like coffee, but it will deepen the chocolate notes beautifully. Don't forget a generous teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for its warm, aromatic complexity. And for a perfect balance, a 1/4 teaspoon of flaky sea salt sprinkled in will cut through the sweetness and make the chocolate pop. Achieving that ideal fudgy or chewy texture is key. The golden rule here is to avoid overmixing your batter. Stir just until the dry ingredients are incorporated, about 10 to 15 seconds, to prevent developing the gluten too much, which can lead to tough brownies. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. For truly fudgy brownies, slightly underbake them. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs. Finally, let's perfect those finishing touches. Patience is a virtue here. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan for at least 2 hours before attempting to cut them. This ensures clean, neat slices and a perfectly set texture. Consider adding delicious mix-ins like chocolate chips, walnuts, or even a swirl of caramel before baking for an extra layer of flavor and texture. Store your finished brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.